Hello students. Now see the 4.2 of the factorization. Here you will make the pairing. वहाँ पे क्या था? You are taking common from all. What will be possible? Then you are taking common. Here you will make the pair. Then you take the common. In this way you will proceed the process. So this is the first x square plus xy minus x minus y. So you see this, if you take the x common, what will be here? X plus y. Minus 1 common, x plus y. What will be here remain? The same thing will be remain here after factorization, after taking the common. So here you take the common, x plus y. Here minus 1, x plus y. That I am saying. This and this should be same. Common लेने में ही हमको care करना. You must care it. Then what will be common from these two terms? There is the four terms. Now it is changing the two terms. From these two terms, what will be common here? X plus y. What will be remain? X minus 1. This factorization is x plus y and x minus 1. Second 5p square minus 8p cube minus 10p or plus 16 cube. You see this, what will be pair? It is arranged this proper way, or you will change the order. Sometimes order are changing. Order are changed, terms are changed. So 5p square from this, what will be common? P will be common, so 5p minus 8 cube. From here, minus 2 is common, so 5p minus 8 cube. Okay, now it is correct. So p is common, 5p minus 8 cube. Or minus 2 is common, 5p minus 8 cube. You see, this and this are the same. So 5p minus 8 cube. What will be remain here? P minus 2. Here p, here minus 2. Now factorization is 5p minus 8 cube. Now second 3ax minus 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx. It is clear? You see what will make the pair. If you make the pair here, so x minus 2y, or here, okay, here also same things. You take the common 3a x minus 2y, this should be x, so 2 is common, so minus 2b is common, here minus 2y, or here plus x. The x minus 2y both are the same. The x minus 2y, or this will be 3a plus 2b. So in this way you will try to solve the questions. Now see the second. Y square minus xy 1 minus x minus x cube. क्या पे देखो, तो y square minus xy प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई माइनस एक्स क्यूब. अब हम पेयर की बात करते हैं. ठीक है, अगर यहां से कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो क्या आएगा y माइनस एक्स, और यहां पे एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो y माइनस एक्स. तो यार y माइनस एक्स plus x square y minus x. Now this will be y minus x and y plus x square. This is clear? See the next question. Yes, question number 8. Here second, x square minus x a plus 2b plus 2ab. Same way, you will expand it. Open the bracket. X square minus ax minus 2bx plus 2ab. You will see what will become here. X. What will be remain? X minus a. Here 2 will be common. X minus a. Okay. So x is common. X minus a or minus 2b. Minus 2b is common. So x minus a. Now this will be x minus a and x minus 2b. This is the factorization of this question. Clear? Now see the ninth. Okay, second part. Here ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. You will factorize it. तो कैसे factorize करोगे? First to expand it. तो a square x square plus b square y square plus 2abxy. Here b square x square plus a square y square minus 2abxy. This and this cancel. This is clear. You see this. This or this, if you are making the pair, so nothing is common here. Or so you change the pair. इसको और इसको एक साथ करो. तो a square x square plus b square x square. Or then this and this will be together. This and this will be together. A square y square plus b square y square. What will be common here? Out. You making the two group. From first group, what will be common? X square, a square plus b square. Here y square is common, a square plus b square. What will be common from both? A square plus b square. A square plus b square. Then here x square plus y square. This is the factorization factor of this question. Clear? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Tenth, first part. A cube plus AB 1 minus 2B minus 2B square. One minus 2A, sorry. AB 1 minus 2A minus 2B square. Now A cube plus AB minus 2A square B minus 2B square. You will see what will be common. If you are taking common A, what will remain? A square plus B. You see this is possible or not possible here. If B is common, 2B is common, A square plus B is common. So not in the proper way. So from this and this, from this group you will take the a common, a square plus b. From this group what will be common? Minus 2b a square plus b. What will be common from both? a square plus b. क्या आएगा दूसरे ब्रैकेट में? a minus 2b. So this is the factor of this question. Clear? Now here 11, 12 and 13 is given. 11 and 13 I am going to explain, and others you will try. 11th, a square b plus ab square minus abc minus b square c plus axy plus bxy. You see, you make the group of the two terms, this. If you are taking AB common, A plus B. Here, if you take the BC common, minus BC, A plus B. Here you take the XY common, A plus B. It means it is arranged in the proper way. If same terms are not occurring in clear, in each terms same values are not occurring, then you will change the order also. Here AB, A plus B, यही आना चाहिए सेम वैल्यू, माइनस BC A plus B plus XY A plus B. What will be common from all? A plus B. इसी को हमको केयर करना होगा. अगर ये सेम आ रहा, इसका मतलब this is arranged in the proper way. If it is not the occurring the same values, हम इसको क्या करते हैं? चेंज कर देते हैं, फिर ऑर्डर को चेंज करके देखते हैं. What will be AB minus BC plus XY? Clear? Here nothing is common from all, so this will be. After that, 13 x minus 1 minus x minus 1 square plus ax minus a. You see this 1, 2 and 3 you will make. What will be? X minus 1 is written in this way. You take, see this x minus 1, here you take the common a, then x minus 1 you will get. So you take the common 1 x minus 1, here minus x minus 1 square, here plus a x minus 1. What will be common from these three terms? X minus 1. What will remain here? 1. Or then minus x minus 1. Correct? Here x minus 1 taken common, x minus 1 will be remain, or plus a. Now x minus 1, 1 minus x plus 1 plus a. Correct? There will be x minus 1 or 2 plus a minus x. Is it clear? So in this way you will try to solve this exercise. If you are getting any problem, you have any doubt, you can ask. God bless you.